As the world keeps changing, education through technology is becoming so much more common. So when it came to teaching children about the most important creatures in nature, the honeybee, we spared no time in story writing, designing, and developing this rewarding, interactive ebook experience. As part of an incredible collaboration with Alpenliebe, we created a world for the child to explore while being accompanied by the brand mascot Alpi and his friends, the honeybees. Scan a QR code on an Alpenliebe lollipop packet, and you will be instantly taken to the world of the honeybee on your phone or tablet, a great educational activity for parent and child. Through the story, children learnt about how bees help the world and much more with the power of interactive activities. We built in games for the child reader to engage with that encouraged important activities like memory retention and practical educational information delivery, delivering a compelling story that drove important values about protecting the bees and the environment they influence. You can get lost in the world of the honeybee here